Token2049. I'm here with Laura from Conquista PR.
Yes, exactly.
Laura, what is it that you do, and how are you finding the event so far?
So far, so good, actually. So we do a strategic communications and public relations for crypto projects, and so far it's been really busy. We can tell that the industry is heating up again, which is really good.
Yeah, I think the energy in the air. Watch the stairs. I think the energy is definitely a lot better than last year, with all the changing regulations.
Yeah.
I think crypto is definitely back.
Yeah.
But one of the things I've noticed from all the interviews that I've been doing for the last couple of days is that everyone mentions trust.
Yeah.
So for you, trust. From your point of view, what are the three best ways to build trust with a customer?
Right, so I think it is really important to have like founders, C-levels, and managing directors have their stories told in an honest way, and have that storytelling built in the first place, because people don't relate to projects or products, they relate to stories. So I think that what people are very curious to know is like who is behind that project. So we help them like get the word out, and also in terms of like getting that like super technical infrastructure to explain it, because otherwise you won't get adoption, you won't get like to do an exit at some point, and you won't get traction really. So yeah, I would say that like in order to build trust, people need to know a story and to be able to approach you in the first place.
Amazing advice, amazing advice. And what buzzword have you heard a lot of at this conference? What buzzword?
Other than liquidity and Aster and let's say getting liquidated as well.
Yeah, liquidity is a big one here. These exchanges and all of that obviously a very big presence here. And then the last question is, you go to a lot of conferences and you obviously it's very tiring, there's a lot of events. How do you keep active at the conferences?
Well, that's a very good question, actually. So yes, traveling around has been a bit tiring, but I think like trying to get a lot of sleep, a lot of water, and if you're able to exercise as well, so you get your energy levels up.
Did you do the run? Did you do the crypto run this week?
Oof, that's a bit too early for me, to be honest. I'm too Spanish for that.
Okay, Laura, where can we reach you? Where can people follow you and find out a bit more about you and your business?
So on LinkedIn, for example, under Conquista PR, or like our website, which is conquista.co. That would be a good way. And yeah.